Hey, it's Sam. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering why you should do high-ticket affiliate marketing. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So what exactly is a high-ticket product? A high-ticket product is at least $1,000, and anything below that is considered low-ticket. So when you're doing high-ticket affiliate marketing, there's going to be different strategies that you need to implement. And you want to do digital courses that help people solve problems. People that have problems tend to want to spend more on solutions that actually help them, whether it's about their health or building wealth or maybe even finding love, relationships, right? And the reason why you want to look for a digital product to do high-ticket affiliate marketing is because digital products give you a lot more commission compared to physical products. Physical products are a lot lower in commissions because there's a lot of things that go into their costs, such as manufacturing, such as warehouse fees, shipping fees, and all the other fees that I didn't even mention. Whereas digital products, the reason why their commission rates are at least 30% and maybe go up to 80%, because there's no manufacturing costs. There's no overhead costs. The people that created the courses, the people that created these digital products, they only create it once and it can be duplicated many times. And this is where you as an affiliate marketer make a lot more money because of the high commission rates and the low refunds. If you're marketing something that is between $1,000 to $2,000, then email marketing will work. If you're marketing something that's over $2,000, then you'll either need to do a webinar or directly call them, or directly have them call you. If you're marketing a course that's over $2,000, then that product probably has a sales team in the background, right? That's working with the product, that is making actual phone calls and getting information from clients. Now, if you're serious about wanting to build your own affiliate online marketing business from scratch, then be sure to click on the link down below, because you'll learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Nowadays, it's really hard to do affiliate marketing because the search engines, the social media, they've updated all their policies that won't allow people to just post links online. A lot of people are getting banned because they're not following the policies that are updated. They're not following the right terms of service that are updated. So if you want to learn how to avoid getting banned by these websites and do affiliate marketing the right way, then be sure to click on the link down below. You'll get to opt into a free 4-day video training series that'll teach you the best tactics of doing affiliate marketing the right way. If you found this session valuable and enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below. So be sure to click on the link down below, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.